After months of non-stop speculation, leaks, and community discussion surrounding what many were casually calling DJI's Mystery 360 drone, we finally have something tangible to analyze, and it completely changes the conversation, because newly surfaced promotional images appear to reveal DJI's first true 360-degree FPV drone, now seemingly confirmed under the retail name DJI Avata 360. And these images are not rough mock-ups or concept art but polished, studio-lit promotional visuals that strongly suggest DJI is far deeper into the launch cycle than most people expected, especially considering the source of the leak has an exceptional history of accuracy with early DJI hardware, which instantly gives this information credibility and raises excitement across the drone, FPV, and immersive content creator communities. What makes this development even more significant is the broader context, because only a short time ago, the 360 drone category barely existed, until Insta360 surprised everyone by announcing its own consumer drone project under a new sub-brand focused on anti-gravity flight, targeting a January 2026 release window, which immediately sparked speculation that DJI would not sit back and allow a new category to grow uncontested. And sure enough, industry chatter began hinting that DJI had a competing product already in development, initially referred to as the Mini 360 before evolving into what now appears to be the Avata 360, and judging by the clarity, branding, and completeness of these images, this is no longer a distant prototype but a near-final consumer product ready for official unveiling. Visually, the Avata 360 maintains DJI's recognizable Cinewoop-style FPV design language, but it is noticeably more compact and refined than the Avata 2, with smoother contours, slimmer propeller guards, and what looks like a lighter composite frame optimized for airflow, reduced drag, and improved efficiency, which could directly translate into longer flight times, better maneuverability in tight indoor or urban environments, and quieter operation, all of which matter greatly for cinematic FPV pilots and immersive 360 content creators alike. The most obvious and transformative feature, of course, is the dual-lens camera system mounted on opposite sides of the airframe, enabling full spherical 360-degree capture through overlapping fields of view that can be stitched seamlessly in post. But unlike traditional fixed dual-lens setups seen on handheld 360 cameras or competing drone concepts, DJI appears to have integrated this system into a protected, enclosed rotating camera module, essentially combining elements of a gimbal with electronic stabilization, which is a smart and very DJI approach because it protects the optics during crashes, an unavoidable reality in FPV flying, while still allowing tilt control, dynamic framing, and advanced camera movement, creating a hybrid experience that sits between raw FPV flight and polished cinematic capture. Earlier leaks suggest DJI may be leveraging imaging hardware similar to what it uses in its latest 360 camera lineup, which opens the door to potential 8K 360-degree video recording, advanced electronic image stabilization, horizon leveling, high dynamic range capture, and improved low-light performance, all without relying on an exposed mechanical gimbal, which would be revolutionary for creators who want immersive footage without sacrificing durability. Beyond imaging, the leaked visuals reveal something equally intriguing along the front of the drone, where what appear to be dual LiDAR or depth sensing modules flank the camera housing, signaling a major leap forward for obstacle detection, spatial awareness, and autonomous flight assistance in the FPV category, an area where DJI has traditionally been more conservative, and in one promotional render, DJI even depicts a translucent sphere surrounding the drone, likely representing real-time environmental mapping and collision avoidance coverage, possibly powered by a hybrid system combining LiDAR, vision sensors, and intelligent algorithms, which would be essential for enabling advanced features like active track 360, subject locking, or automated follow modes while flying FPV, something that has never truly existed at this level before, and one image showing the drone tracking a cyclist from behind strongly hints at intelligent follow functionality that works seamlessly with immersive goggles. blurring the line between autonomous drones and manually flown FPV systems. The rear of the Avata 360 appears slightly elongated, suggesting space for a larger battery. And if DJI has managed to push flight time beyond the 20-minute mark while keeping weight low, that alone would make this one of the most practical FPV drones ever built. Especially for long takes, action sports filming, and travel content. And the familiar top-loading battery design with a locking mechanism indicates DJI is prioritizing safety, quick swaps, and crash resistance. Control flexibility is another area where DJI seems determined to outperform emerging competitors, as the Avata 360 is expected to support both a motion controller for intuitive point-and-fly operation and a traditional dual-stick remote controller with a built-in display, external antennas, and professional-grade controls, giving users the choice between an accessible, immersive FPV experience with goggles and motion input or precise manual control for complex flight paths, cinematic framing, gimbal adjustments, and advanced camera settings, which is critical for professional aerial filmmakers, YouTubers, and commercial operators who demand precision and repeatability. This dual-control ecosystem, paired with DJI Goggles 3, positions the Avata 360 as a uniquely versatile platform capable of high-adrenaline FPV flight, smooth cinematic passes, and fully immersive 360 storytelling from a single compact drone. Early pricing rumors suggest a launch price around 5,000 Chinese yuan, roughly translating to about $700 USD depending on regional taxes and bundles, which would place it competitively in the consumer and prosumer market, especially if DJI manages to keep the takeoff weight under 250 grams, potentially allowing it to fall into the least restrictive regulatory categories in many countries, a massive advantage for creators who want to fly legally with minimal licensing hurdles. Taken together, all signs point to DJI preparing one of its most ambitious FPV releases yet, possibly launching before the end of the year and well ahead of rival 360 drones expected in 2026, signaling DJI's intent to dominate not just traditional aerial photography, but also the future of immersive, spherical video capture. And as if that wasn't enough, the same wave of leaks also gives us a clearer look at the upcoming DJI Osmo Action 6, with images revealing both the standard combo and the adventure combo, each tailored to different types of creators, with the standard bundle offering all the essentials needed to start shooting immediately, including the camera, magnetic quick-release mount, battery, USB-C cable, curved adhesive mount, thumb screw, and anti-slip pads, while the adventure combo is clearly designed for travel vloggers, endurance shooters, and outdoor filmmakers, adding multiple batteries, a multi-slot charging case that doubles as a power bank, additional magnetic mounts, a telescopic grip for handheld or selfie-style shooting, and expanded mounting options, all wrapped around the same rugged, matte-finished Action 6 body with a replaceable lens protector and DJI's universal Quick Connect mounting system, ensuring compatibility with existing accessories and making it an easy upgrade for current users. And with all these developments converging at once, it's clear that DJI is not slowing down but instead accelerating toward a future where FPV flight, 360-degree video, intelligent tracking, and action camera ecosystems merge into a single, creator-focused vision that could redefine how immersive content is captured, edited, and shared across platforms like YouTube, making this one of the most exciting moments in recent drone and action camera history.